What's going on, Mayhem Car Club? Oh, yeah, it's been a minute. Don't know why I'm wearing this hat today because that's not what we got. This truck is not a beautiful runner. I mean, it's a runner, but it ain't that beautiful. It's an old school truck. I said that I was going to do the unveiling weeks ago, but you'll see why I didn't do it in a minute. It's been fucking bad outside today. I just chose to drop it in. I did have 110 in there, but now I got 212s. This sounds pretty decent. But this truck is on the road to slamology, so the temporary setup in there now is just like I said, temporary. We're going to get this thing beaten. We're going to get this thing loud. Loud. I mean, talking like something you ain't ever seen before. We're pushing for 20,000 watts plus. I'm looking at, for now, 1HCCA 15 SPL on 2 Goliath 5Ks that I'm dropping in the next couple months. Getting it ready for June. I got a system getting ready to get dropped in this truck, dude. Like, cannot wait. For door components, I'm just gonna tell you about it because I don't have them in yet. I will be ordering them soon. I got probably 2 8s per door and 2 6.5s per door with 2 tweeters per door. It's a lot of power. Just off of mids and highs, I'm gonna go with probably 1,500 per door with 4 amps. Where the factory sub went, I'm gonna tear that out of there and put a screen in there and let me know what my regulated power is. Everything going offline, I'm gonna get, I'm looking at either SMD meter or I've tried Stinger. Stinger is not like what everybody cuts it out to be. Their voltage readings are so low that you can't even really tell what the fuck you're doing. So I'm gonna try to shop around, but I know the SMD, they're analogs, so when the bass jumps, the full bar goes with it and it stays regulated at that one thing. It's incremented pretty much. So let's get on into this and show you. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of this truck. Don't get mad at my power wire because I just threw the new amp in there. I had a situation with the old amp where the remote wouldn't kick in, so I got to redo all this shit. It's gonna get redone. It's just a thrown together system. Whatever you see in this truck right now, you know how I do my work. This was just thrown together to see what I can pull out of this truck, to see if I'm solid. So let's go. Told you it's bad out here, guys. This is why I ain't really been doing shit. Oh yeah. 2000 Mercury Mountaineer, got the V8 5.0 motor in it. She ain't too pretty. I gotta clean up some rust. Definitely. Just got something bullshit for right now. Well, let me turn the other phone on so I can show you just something bullshit for right now. Don't mind that. I'm gonna turn this out. I don't know why I did this video so late, but yeah, like I said, the the remote wire. I got 4 gauge under here, strapped in. Got the touch screen. Let me go pop this hood and put this fucking wire in. I need new support lifts, so. She ain't too pretty, but I guess you get the picture. I'm gonna cut you guys back on when I get this thing ready to go. As you see, no lights on the dash. Get out of here. Oh, of course, you can't see nothing up here. Alrighty, y'all. I had to play some decaf so I don't get played around with. Tired of this damn fucking what the fuck do they call it? I forgot the name of it. It's too cold for me to think straight. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I have paid $700 for this vehicle. No check engine lights. Nothing out of the ordinary. I've been driving this thing for a few weeks now. This thing's solid. I'm gonna try to get some. See if this fan can move. Uh-oh. Oh, amp came disconnected. Knew that would happen. But, let's see if I can connect that bitch back. Mustang 5.0 motor in here. Alright, y'all.